To build your Toja Grid Grid 30 pergola with a base, start by building the top section. Insert 3 pieces of lumber into the first 2 Trio 30 brackets, as shown here. Then insert the shorter lumber into the angled part of the bracket and fasten with screws. To find out proper measurement for the shorter, angled lumber, you can use our online calculator found on the Grid 30 product pages. Create the second top section component using the remaining 2 Trio 30 brackets, connecting them with a piece of lumber, fastening them with screws. Create the middle peak by connecting 2 peak Trio 30s with a piece of lumber, and then add the remaining 2 shorter lumber pieces to the angled part of the bracket as shown here, and fasten with screws. Connect the 3 top section components together, like so. To do this, prop up the open end of the top section and make sure it's higher than the other side of the pergola that is already fastened with brackets. Attach the middle peak section, like so, and then attach the remaining top section component, like so. And fasten with screws. Once the top is complete, lift one side and insert 2 vertical posts into the bottom of the Trio 30 brackets, and fasten with screws. Lift the other side and insert the remaining 2 vertical posts and fasten with screws. Next, the base needs to be built. To do this, create a U shape and fasten with screws, like so. Create the I shape and fasten with screws. Then connect the I shape to the U shape, like so, and fasten with screws. Once the base is complete, lift the standing pergola, aligning each vertical post with the trio brackets on the base, and place it in carefully. Fasten with screws, apply caps, and enjoy.